Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. You saw for my making my August journal that I am using this traveler's notebook, but it is plain and boring. So I thought I would decorate the cover for a video. I don't know what's going on here. So I grabbed everything that I have. I have it in this zebra journaling box that I had yet to throw away, so because I was thinking of using it to make a project, but I'm not sure yet. Anyway, I had it off to the side, so I grabbed it. But I have all of these things that I pulled out to decorate with. So I thought that I would use all of these items to decorate my cover, because who wants this as your cover? I don't want this as my cover. I want my cover to be fun. So I thought I would take you with me, and I have some papers. I kind of want to make sure that the front, I'm going to, you know what, I'm going to tear, and maybe I will, hold on. Okay, so I went and I grabbed my inks because I think I want to ink. And it's either pink, blue, or yellow are like the prevalent covers, I think, that colors that I grabbed. So I think I'm going to do pink. I think I'm going to do the darker picked raspberry color. And that's what I'm going to ink with. I just need to get a base here. A thing. So, gonna do this, I believe, like so. And I have this yellow that I just grabbed out that I saw as I was walking past my paper, but I don't want this whole thing. I only want a little bit for over here, and I'm gonna tear the edge because I think I want this edge naked. I don't know. I don't have a plan, you guys. We're just going for it. I'm going to ink all the sides of both pieces and then figure out where they're going to go. This is the first time that I've really recorded like a craft video in a long time. As I'm filming this video, you just saw my haul for last month, and that is the last crafting video I filmed. Yep. So I'm going to put that there, and I think I'm going to put this here like so. Okay, and I have a bunch of these like girl stickers. Let's see what we got. I should really keep these out because I don't use them enough, and I have a ton. Okay, I kind of like that one. Or maybe that one, or maybe that one. We'll see. Oh, this one here. All right, I think that one. And get in there. Let's see. What else do we have? Okay. There's some floral stickers. There's these floral stickers. There's these stickers here that are from Creative Memories. Those. I have these floral. What about, no. Or that's too matchy with the color. I have That's too big. You guys are not helpful. How about the star? Maybe I'll do the star. And I really like this chick right here in the, or is that the one I liked in the pinky dress? I think it matches very well. And then I also have, how about this frame? And put her in the frame? Maybe. We'll think about that. We'll think about that. I also have this frame. I think I like this frame better. Like that. I think I like that better. And we need something that says like summer. Let me look to see what I have. Okay, I found some stuff. So let's glue this down and start, because I think we have a good start. I might also decorate the back. I don't know yet. I might leave it plain. I don't know. I'm gonna move this not quite on the edge. Okay. Yep, I don't know. Should I? I wish you guys could tell me. Should I decorate the back or not? You tell me down below. What would you do? I mean, you'll know what I do by the end of this video, but what would you do? Okay, we have that. And then I kind of want to put this here off to the side. Like so. Okay. And then, I don't know, what did I, there's the star. What do you guys think? Or put her right there and the star like that. And then I want to put the word July. I grabbed this sticker book from my stash, and I kind of want to see if I have enough. I have a U, a Y, a J, and an L. So I could put it's not July. I'm in July now. So let's start over. A, U, G, U, S. Nope, there's no T. Would have worked if it'd be July. But then again, there's this summer, summer, summer sticker. There's another one too. This one. Or I could just put AUG for August. Should I do that? Let's see how that would look. Okay. Oh, I kind of like it. And then, is there a 2 and a 5? Would they fit? No, but I could put that down here. Actually. Let's start with the 5. And put it here, and then the 2, and then I could also do 2025 instead of just 25. My boyfriend said something to me the other day. He goes, as of today, we are officially closer to 2050 than we were to the year 2000. That was a mind fuck, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, I really kind of like that. I wish you guys could help me, but you know what I want to do? I want to ink these edges before I put her down. And I'm going to ink the edges of the star. There we go. So it's not super white anymore. And I think I'm going to put her here. I like her kind of like right there. I think I'm going to put her standing on the edge. Yep. So let's put this sticker there. Maybe I'll just cover the back in one single sheet of paper. Okay, I like her there, and we'll glue down this star. Like so. Okay, so that's what we have. I think it's cute. Let's see. Is there anything, excuse me, paper, over here that we could use? What about these little hearts? There's these little hearts. Stickers here. And then what were these called? What were these called back in the day? They were called something. They're not emojis. What were they? I don't remember. There we go. Okay, I like it. Let's ink this here, and then I'm going to ink around the edges of the back. And see what I could put on the back. Normally I don't care about the back, but I at least want to ink the back. If I don't find anything I want to put on here, I'm fine with that. Okay. All right. There's probably nothing in here, but I've used this sticker book now, so I guess I should put it in there. This is just the same paper. Should I just repeat what I did with just the paper? I think so. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to tear this so the white is showing. Depending on how you tear, depends on whether or not you have white showing. And I'm going to ink this and just glue it to the back, just so it repeats the front, but not put any of the stickers or anything on, and just leave the back with the paper. And that is it. I wish I had the end sticker. I would put it on there. Okay. It's weird. I really like the inked look, but I don't ink very often. I really should do it. I just don't. I have a lot of stuff to do today, so I think I might not film anything else today. I don't know. Like I said, I hadn't filmed in a really long time. I almost put that on wrong. That would have sucked. Okay. Maybe I do have a the end sticker. Hold on. I don't know why I'm obsessed with it now, but I am. But I don't know if this is... Let's cut this. Let's cut it. Okay. And I'm going to put... Actually, I'm going to put it this way, I think. Let me cut more of this off. I want it to be shorter than the other one. Okay. And then, do you think, we probably, no, because we have no T's. Forgot, we have no T's. Okay, I pulled out this sticker, and I'm going to do T. And then use these. I need alpha stickers badly. And I have just enough. Oh, I really kind of like the two different fonts and colors of. The funny thing is, I'm pretty sure I have a bunch of alpha stickers in my sticker container. Of course I do. All right, there it is. I think it's adorable. You tell me, what do you think? Tell me down below. And tell me what you would have done for the back. Okay? Thank you guys for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe if you guys are not already subscribed. I do a lot of great things around here, and there's September Build-A-Journal is coming up next month. So you have that to look forward to. And if you don't know what that is, I will add it. Oh, yeah. I will add the playlist from the previous 2 years down below. If I forget, you guys, because this is July, I might forget. I'm going to actually keep this and this in this box since I've now used it on the cover. So I have it. So this is what my little journaling kit for this month, for August looks like. If you didn't see it, I'm using this traveler's notebook and all of this stuff to decorate pages. Anyway, I will, if I forget and you want to know what September Build Journal is, I will put the playlist down below. If I forget, please remind me. Okay, because I will forget, because this is July and this is not going up for at least 3 weeks. So I probably will forget. Also, yeah, I don't know where I was going with that also. So hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next crafty video.